is considered as a sedge, there are certain units will exist. All those units are doing some businesses. So, the process of formatting of the sedge is to be simplified. Okay, and the next rule is single window clearance. Single window clearance to start sedge. Single window clearance to start sedge. Here, if we want to start a business organization, we have to collect various information, and we have to meet various personnel, and we have to get approval from the different departments of the government. So here number of tasks are associated to start a business organization. But when it is related to the sedge, there is a single window clearance. A single window clearance is suitable to start a sedge. No need to get approvals from all the departments, and no need to get move from one place to another to get your proposal is accepted. You have only a single window clearance to accept your proposal. Okay, and next one, single window clearance in the matters of state government and central government. The matters of state government and central government. If you have to take certain approvals from the government, then also you can get a single window clearance. No need to move each and every department. You will get the approval at single window clearance. Okay, and next one, simplifying the operations of the procedure of complaints and documentation. We need to develop different kinds of documents to start our business organization. But in case of sedge, the documentation process and the complaints process is simplified. It is very easy to documentation of your proposal. And next rule is identifying minimum land requirements. Identifying minimum land requirements. Here, they have to identify the minimum land requirements to start different kinds of sedge. Because sedges are producing different kinds of products. IT form of sedge requires a certain space, and automobile form of sedge requires certain places, like that. Depending upon the product, the place or the land that is to be required by the sedge. So, here the last rule says that you have to identify the minimum land that is required by a sedge unit. So, these are the rules of Special Economic Zone which comes along with the Act. The first one is, it simplifies the formation, operations, management of sedge and its units in the business, and it gets a single window clearance to establish a special economic zone. And in case of government, either it is a central government or state government, it also gets a single window clearance regarding the matters of special economic zone. And simplifying the operations of the procedures and complaints and documentation. The documentation procedure, the complaints procedure is to be simplified. and identifying different kinds of land which requires a minimum land for the special economic zones. These are the rules which are relating to the SEZ. Okay. Next, we are going to know about what are the SEZ approval mechanisms. SEZ approval mechanism. The person who wants to start SEZ unit have to get approval. As we know in the rules, there is a single window clearance to start a SEZ unit. Right, there are two methods in which the developer has to follow to get approval from the approval for the SEZ units. Either applying to the state government or directly applying to the board of approvals. Okay, so now I am discussing in the step by step process regarding the SEZ approval mechanism. The first one is developer has to submit proposal to state government. First, the person who wants to start the SEZ units has to submit his proposal to the state governments. After that, state government forwards those proposal to BOA. Here BOA stands for Board of Approvals. Board of Approvals consists of 19 members which are organized by the central government, and the persons are like Secretary of the Department of Commerce and the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and certain other ministries like Customs, Sales, Central Sales Tax. All these peoples will constitute as the members in the Board of Approvals. So, after getting the proposal from the developer, state governments forwards those proposals to the BOA persons with its recommendations also. Then, after that, the BOA persons will approve the proposal depending upon the recommendations that are given by the state government. BOA persons will approve the proposal. Later on, the central government make arrangement for land acquisitions because the SEZ units are established in the certain areas, especially in the rural areas. Okay, so land requirements. As already I told you that approval for SEZ will comes with the single window clearance. Need not to go each and every department. You can directly submit the proposal to the state government, or you can directly submit those proposal to the BOA persons, Board of Approvals. Right. It is to be drawn as a diagrammatic pattern. I also draw that. You please note down in your notes. Two types. The SEZ approval may come from two types. The first one, applying to state government, and second one, applying to BOA. If you are applied to the state government forwards application proposal to whom? Yes, to BOA. and obtain concurrence from state governments. Depending upon these elements, the BOA approves the proposal. Here, the state government forwards the proposal to the BOA personnel within 45 days. Within 45 days. If there is any recommendations, that recommendations and the respected proposal is to be sent to the BOA team. Then the BOA personnel will approve the proposal. Then the person may start a SEDGE unit. And later on, it behaves like a geographical region that has economic laws are more liberal than the country's economic laws. LAWS laws. Okay, and this is the SEDGE approval mechanism. Now we are going to discuss about the objectives of the SEDGE. The objectives of the SEDGE. The objectives of the SEDGE is first objective is generation of additional economic generation of additional economic activity. Generation of additional economic activity. And promotion of exports of goods and services. It is another objective.